When it comes to maintaining your home, few things are more important than ensuring your roof is in top condition. Whether you're dealing with a minor repair, a full replacement, or simply need a roof inspection, choosing the right roofing company in Madison Heights can make all the difference. Your roof is a critical part of your home's protection, so it's essential to hire a company that you can trust to do the job right. Here's a helpful guide to choosing the best roofing company in Madison Heights, ensuring your roof remains secure and your investment protected. Do your research. Start by doing a bit of research to create a list of potential roofing companies in Madison Heights. You can find reputable contractors by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who've had similar work done. Online reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp can provide valuable insights into the quality of a company's work and customer service. Look for roofing companies with strong reputations. A well-established roofing company that has been in business for years is more likely to provide reliable, quality service than a new or lesser-known company. Pay attention to customer feedback, particularly regarding reliability, punctuality, and how well the company communicates. Verify licensing and insurance. Roofing can be a dangerous job, so it's crucial to ensure the company you choose is properly licensed and insured. Licensing indicates that the company meets the necessary requirements and local building codes for roofing work in Madison Heights. A licensed contractor is more likely to adhere to safety standards and deliver quality results. Insurance is equally important. A roofing company should carry both liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. Liability insurance protects your property in case of accidents or damage during the job, while workers' compensation covers any injuries sustained by the crew on your property. Without insurance, you could be held responsible for accidents, which is a risk you can avoid by choosing a company with proper coverage. Evaluate experience and specialization. When selecting a roofing company, consider their experience in the industry and expertise in the type of roofing you need. Whether you're looking for asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or a specialized roofing solution like slate or tile, choose a company that has a proven track record in that area. A contractor that specializes in the material you prefer will likely have more experience and skill in installing or repairing it. Additionally, ask how long the company has been operating in Madison Heights. A company with years of experience in the local area is familiar with the specific weather conditions and building codes that affect roofing. Their expertise ensures that the job will be done correctly, with minimal hassle. Get multiple estimates before making your decision. Get written estimates from at least 3 roofing companies. The estimates should be detailed and include the cost of labor, materials, and any additional fees. A reputable roofing company will provide a free, no-obligation estimate, and will likely do a thorough inspection of your roof before providing their quote. While comparing estimates, don't automatically choose the lowest price. A significantly low estimate may indicate that the contractor is cutting corners on materials or labor. On the other hand, an unusually high estimate may reflect unnecessary upselling or inflated prices. Aim for a company that offers a fair price based on the quality of materials and labor they provide. Ask about warranties. Reputable roofing companies stand behind their work with warranties. A warranty provides peace of mind that if anything goes wrong after the job is completed, the company will return to address the issue at no extra cost. Be sure to ask about the warranty before hiring a roofing company and carefully read the terms to ensure it covers both materials and labor. Additionally, ask if the company offers any manufacturer warranties for the materials they use. High-quality materials often come with long-term warranties that further protect your investment in your roof. Check for references and reviews. Before finalizing your decision, ask the roofing company for references or examples of past projects. Contacting previous clients can help you gain a better understanding of the company's work quality, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. You can also ask to see before and after photos of completed roofing projects to get a sense of the company's craftsmanship. If the company is unwilling or unable to provide references or examples, it could be a red flag. Most reputable roofing companies are happy to showcase their past work and provide references from satisfied clients. Communication and customer service. Lastly, consider how the roofing company communicates with you. Are they responsive to your questions and concerns? Do they provide clear and thorough explanations about the work that needs to be done? Good communication is key to a successful roofing project, as it helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures that the work will be completed according to your expectations. Look for a roofing company that values customer service and takes the time to address your needs. A company that communicates well with you throughout the process is more likely to provide a smooth, hassle-free experience. Conclusion: choosing the best roofing company in Madison Heights requires careful consideration of several important factors. By researching, verifying licenses and insurance, evaluating experience, and comparing estimates, you can make an informed decision that ensures your roof is in capable hands. With the right company, you'll not only protect your home but also enjoy a durable, high-quality roof for years to come.